In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable notifications in your account. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to make sure your alerts are turned on so you don't miss important updates. Start by opening your account and heading to your profile. On desktop, double-click your profile icon or name to jump straight into your profile settings. If a single click opens it for you, that's fine too. Some platforms only need one. The key is to get into the profile area where your personal settings live. Once you're inside your profile, look along the left side of the screen for the main navigation panel. Scroll down that menu until you see the option labeled Notifications. This is typically grouped with other preferences like privacy or security, and it may sit a bit lower in the list, so don't worry if you need to scroll a little. Click Notifications to open the Notifications Settings page. On this page, look for an Edit button. It might be in the top corner or near the section header. Click Edit to make the settings adjustable. Before you click, note how things look. If anything is already turned on, you'll see that reflected here. Once you're in edit mode, the page will allow you to change the toggles. Now you can enable notifications by switching them on. You'll usually see a toggle switch next to each type of alert. When the switch slides to the right or changes color, that means it's enabled. If you have options for different channels, like push, email, or in-app alerts, turn on the ones that match how you prefer to be notified. If you're not sure, start with push notifications for timely updates and in-app notifications for anything you can review later. After switching on the notifications you want, look for a save or apply button. Some systems save automatically when you toggle, but if you see a save option, click it to lock in your choices. To be certain everything worked, you can back out to the main notifications page and confirm the toggles show as on. A few quick tips before we wrap up. If you don't see the notifications option on the left, make sure you're in your profile settings, not just your public profile page. If notifications still don't come through later, check your device or browser settings to ensure alerts aren't blocked. And remember, you can return to this notifications area anytime to fine-tune what you receive. That's it. Double-click your profile.